Why is someone crying?
That's why.
Why is someone crying? You said she was screaming because the car was not moving and I was not in the car. Anyway, like I was saying. Hello, good morning. Welcome to the vlog for today. It's Amanda and we are back with another vlog. It's not your regular day in a live vlog. If you want to watch that, it will be linked up here. This is going to be us going out. They have their doctor's appointment. We want to go to the mall, just look around in Maryland because we haven't actually been out since we moved. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe again, click the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified, and let's get right on into the video.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done. I need to wear my shoe.
Okay.
So where is going?
You're welcome.
Fun fact, MK was the one videoing me. My baby is growing. Very soon he'll be my personal photographer and videographer. Fit for today. The kids' doctor's appointment right now. They're already in the car getting, they're already seated in the car. I'm waiting for daddy to come so we can go. And then afterwards we might just go out. Why is someone crying?
That's why.
Why is someone crying? You said she was screaming because the car was not moving and I was not in the car. Anyway, like I was saying, let's see how this video goes. Mama, what is it? MK, what's that?
What is that, MK?
box.
Leave the bag alone, okay?
What?
Sky, are you full, Mama? Are you full?
Let's go to home.
Why? Are you scared of the bugs?
Yes. Let's go to
Sorry. Hello, so we are back home from Cheesecake Factory. Now, beautiful, delicious food, very clean environment, social distancing and all. Please don't order their pizza. Their pizza sucks. But other than that, everything was a thumbs up. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as usual. Thank you guys for watching. I'm breathing so hard because I ran up the stairs. I left these kids downstairs, so I'll be able to do this outro. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.